Hello and welcome to another MiHow2 video. My name is Tom Clark, I'm your host, and on today's How-To, we are not in our regular studio. We're actually in one of the motion industry's warehouses to talk about a brand new product from our good friends at Rust-Oleum. So please welcome Jim Weldon onto our set here. Jim, how you doing, friend?
Fine, thanks. Thanks for having me.
Hey, it's good to have you here. We're here to talk about your hard surface primer, which is why you have us out of the comfort of our air-conditioned studio into one of the warehouses here, but that's where it's applicable. So let's talk about it.
Sure. We developed this product because most floors fail because of lack of surface prep. You know, the labor is 80% of the job, and what they have to grind it to get the paint off. What this enables them to do is save a whole lot of labor in terms of using this in lieu of grinding if grinding is not possible.
Okay, now grinding is the best option if you can, but a lot of times it's not. And when you talk about grinding, that's like, you know, a lot of times we have that peeling paint, and if you just paint on top of it, it's not really going to adhere. It's just going to fly right off.
Right, so you need to, if you're not going to grind, you need to at least remove the loose paint that's on the floor. Okay. Once you remove that, you can put our hard surface primer down, and what that will do is give you the base to make your floor last longer. So in other words, you put the hard surface down, wait 8 hours, you can top coat with safety yellow, safety red, silver gray, whatever color you want in your floor, and you'll get a longer lasting floor than if you didn't use it at all.
But something that we have right here, we don't necessarily need to grind this, we just have to clean it a little bit of prep work to get it done. But you know, that's where the hard surface primer comes in because you don't have to do as much as you would normally do.
Correct. That's going to save all the labor. And this is a great product for a sealed concrete floor because nothing can go on a sealed concrete floor. This can.
Okay. So, and you said it's easy enough for me to do it. You're going to allow me just to take over?
Yes.
Okay. So let's explain what we have here as far as products are concerned and how we do this.
The hard surface primer is parts A and B. You're going to mix them together with the drill, pour it into the roller pan, and then just roll on the floor. It's that easy.
All right, get out of the way. You're on the surface that needs to be done. I'm already on the surface that already has been done. So remember, if we're going to do something like this, we have to make sure that we're wearing the proper PPE before I attempt to tackle this demo. All right, Jim, I'm going to have you hold my glasses. I'm going to put on our PPE for our demo. We're going to start with the gloves first. Then I'm going to put on the safety glasses. And then we will undo the paint.
There you go.
Drill. Here we go, kids. Now, we're going to be doing equal parts of this. So we're going to make sure we put everything in here. There's one.
And these two parts make one activated gallon.
All right, I'm going to stand up for this. Here we go. Jim, about how long are we going to mix this up to make sure it's all done?
As soon as you see the activator kind of blended in with the base, you'll be good to go. And we're pretty much almost there.
Normally when I'm making cakes, I do 2 minutes on medium speed to where it bakes just right at 350 in the oven for 17 minutes for those of you that are cooks as well as those that like to paint warehouses. I think we're good to go.
You're good to go.
I think it looks good. All right, so we're gonna let that go there. Now I'm actually gonna use this so I don't drip anything on the floor. And I'm gonna do it like that. I think we're good to go there. All right, let's pour everything in the pan, at least some of it. And we're good to go. So are we going to be doing just like a regular, this would be like a regular coat of paint then, is what we're saying here.
Yeah, once you keep going till you no longer see this, till you no longer see the cement.
Ah, there we go. This is really pretty easy. How'd I do with the mixing?
Very well. And you're getting that's a good texture. And like I said, this will dry in 8 hours. And once it's dry, you can put whatever top coat you want on there.
All right, let's move that out of the way. I'm going to complete this so we have our warehouse almost ready to go. Well, what do you think, Jim?
I think it looks great.
Good looking floor, huh?
Good looking floor.
Good looking product, too. Thanks
Thank you
again.
So much.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
That was Jim Weldon from Rust-Oleum. And if you have any questions about anything you saw, you can always contact your nearest Motion Industries branch location. As you can see, I wore my PPE. Make sure you do on whatever the job calls for. And you know what else something calls for? You going to MiHow2.com and watching other helpful and informational videos just like this one. Thanks for watching today. I'm Tom Clark. I'm your host. We'll see you next time.